There once was a community filled with many different people. Some young, some old, and even some expecting babies. Just about every kind of person lived there. Where they lived was a nice place with parks and schools and stores and trees, but they didn't have a community hospital. So when people were sick, they had to go a long way to get treatment. But even worse, because they didn't have a community hospital, mothers didn't learn how to properly care for their newborns. Heart attacks and strokes increased because people didn't learn how to eat a healthy diet. Grandchildren never got to enjoy their grandparents because no one was helping seniors. Fathers' lives were cut short because men didn't receive regular prostate exams. Families were shattered because women didn't receive regular breast cancer exams. And people in the community who had no one to help or assist them, like those with heart disease, cancer, or stroke, they suffered alone. Because there was no community hospital, there was no one to care. Well, the story could have turned out that way, but we all like happy endings. And thankfully, our story turned out very differently. Because a long time ago, the people in the community decided to build a hospital that would be for their community. So when people needed care, they would only have to go a short distance to get treatment. And because we do have a community hospital like Civista, new mothers learn how to care for their newborn babies and raise healthy children. People learn about healthy diets and live longer, healthier lives. Senior citizens get their blood pressure checked regularly and have a better quality of life. Men receive regular prostate exams and stay strong for their families. Women receive regular breast cancer exams and are there to meet their grandchildren. And people in the community who would have no one to share their health problems with, like those with heart disease, cancer, or stroke, can find strength in others like them. Today, that community hospital is called Civista. And while our hospital has all the things that hospitals are supposed to have, an emergency department, experienced doctors and nurses, we also have a heart for the community we serve. And you are a part of that community and that heart. Visit Civista.org today to learn more about all the healthy things you can learn, do, and share with Civista Health.